The add-on interest method. We will use the add-on interest method to find the monthly interest of an add-on interest loan. To find the monthly interest for this type of loan, we need to complete two steps. The first step is to find the amount of interest accrued using I equals P times R times T, or I equals the principal times the rate times the time in years. This will give us the amount of interest that we accrued on our loan. The next step is to use the add-on interest formula to find the monthly payments. This is found by taking the principal amount, or the amount we deposited, then add the interest that we accrued, and divide it by the number of monthly payments. That will give us the monthly interest that we need to pay. Compute the monthly payments for an add-on interest loan of $1,520 with an annual interest rate of 9% and a term of 5 years. When we compute monthly payments for add-on interest, we have two steps. The first step is to find the amount of interest that we'll be paying. And we'll do that by using the formula I equals P RT. Once we find the value for I, we're going to use the next formula to compute the monthly payments. And this formula is the principal plus the amount of interest divided by the total number of compounding periods, which is N. And remember that N equals M times T. So first we'll do the first step, which is to find I. We have I equals PRT. P is the principal, or the amount invested, which is $1,520. We're going to multiply that by the interest rate, which is 9%. 9% written as a decimal is 9 divided by 100, which is 0.09. And T is 5. That's the number of years. 1,520 times 0.09 is 136.8. Now I'm going to multiply that value by 5. 136.8 times 5 is 684. So that is the amount of interest, $684. Now I'm going to find the monthly payments. So again, I is the amount of interest total. So to find the monthly payments, I'm going to add the principal to the interest and then divide by the number of compounding periods. This is step 2. So the principal was $1,520 plus the interest that I need to pay, which is $684, divided by the number of compounding periods. And remember, that is the number of times it's compounded a year times the number of years. So we're looking at monthly payments. So that means M is going to be 12, and T, the number of years, is going to be 5. So the number of times, compounding times, is 12 times 5, which is 60. So I'll divide by 60. 1,520 plus 684 gives me 2,204. And then once we divide that by 60, we get 36.733 repeating. I'm going to round this value to the nearest cent. So I look at the third decimal place, which is a 3. 3 is less than 5. So the number next to it stays the same. So my monthly payments are $36.73. Here we'll type in $36.73.